Do you want some pumpkin food? Yeah. Hey, pumpkin, do you want some pumpkin food? Yes. Okay, here you go. Here you go. Hi guys, my name is Joseph, and we're gonna do something really special and fun. It's carving a pumpkin. And I'm gonna tell you the tools. Okay, so this is a scooper. See? So when you open up the top, you're gonna have to scoop everything out on the inside with this. And there's a bunch of knives in here, like carve the pumpkin. Okay. So let's go and do this adventure. And guys, I'm gonna be calling my dad to help me. Dad, come help me! Hi, Dad. Yeah, that's the nose.
You want to do one on the eyes over there?
Yeah.
Let me do this side. Don't block it. Do this side. See this side. What do you think?
I like it.
Come this way. Come this way. You go over there. Whoa, see that, guys?
I see that.
Get the plastic bag. Get the plastic bag.
Oh, guys, you gotta see this. Oh, look at that. Let's go see. Oh, it's hard to scoop.
No more to this side.
Oh, that is over for me because it's really hard for me to like cut it. So Daddy's taking over for me. Dali ko lang picture mo. Look like a picture mo. Daddy, it only says one. I can only go to just do it. Okay, I'm gonna.
Them.
Okay.
Wait. So 1 second.
Okay. That was so fun. Okay. Ooh, the inside. Oh, let's go. And now I need the knife. Come here. I can't push. Okay, 3, 2, I'm gonna push. Oh, it's gonna get inside. Oh, it's inside. Ooh. Oh God. The math is gonna take a little while. Oh. Okay. This is gonna. I think I'm gonna have to push it. Ah. Oh. What's up, guys? This is so fun. And now it's a tree of jack-o'-lantern. I'm gonna put some decoration on this. Wait.
What do you think?
I think it's perfect.
Huh?
Yeah, I think it's perfect. This is so cool, right? Do you want some pumpkin food? Yeah. Hey, pumpkin, do you want some pumpkin food? Yes. Okay, here you go. Here you go. You want some pumpkin mango? Yeah. Ooh, want some pumpkin juice? Yeah. Done.
Want to say something about it?
Good. Guys, it was really fun carving this pumpkin. This is like my first time ever doing it. And I'm gonna have to take all these stuff and I'm gonna get some seeds to eat when I'm done and put a candle in it when it's night. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.